Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm excited to try out a product from a brand that I'm not familiar with. The brand is called Full Ritual and I have here their Magnetic Balm, which sounds so intriguing. I'm like, what is a magnetic balm? But with some feedback I've gotten in the comments of my unboxing video, which this was part of my September 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so that video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. But it turns out this is just like a regular lip balm. It's cruelty-free and vegan, but I love getting to try out new brands that I get in my beauty subscriptions. But looking up this brand, it's more of like a lifestyle brand, I'd say, not like a makeup brand. This actually seemed like the only makeup product they actually have. But this retails for $26, which definitely seems pricey to me for a lip balm. But I love trying out lip products. I have very dry lips, so I love trying to find extremely moisturizing products. I was just opening this packaging and it must remind my dog Emma of like a treat packaging because she just got so excited and came over to see what's in the package. But so let's start out by swatching it. Oh, I like this type of applicator. It's hollow at a slight angle and like an arrow shape. This is probably like my favorite type of lip applicator. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells fruity, but not too sweet, like just a very lovely, like fresh fruit smell. Okay, yes, let's go on to a swatch. Okay, a little bit of like this kind of same color that's on the applicator here, like this slightly like orange shade. Seems to have some nice shine to it. Oh, I'm just dying to put some hydration on my lips right now. So let's see how this is. Ooh, very pleasantly surprised by how this orangey shade is looking on my lips. It's almost just like looking like your natural lip color, but more enhanced. And gosh, the texture of this, it's so like slick, not at all sticky. This really is like a lip gloss, lip balm in one, almost like if you melted down a lip balm. Oh, such a beautiful texture and such a beautiful look on the lips. I really like how this color is so natural, but it just kind of, yeah, enhances your natural lip color a bit. Like my lips were looking so dull and dry, and now they're looking completely hydrated and just a little bit more like juicy, healthy. There's a little bit of shine, but I wouldn't say it's like lip gloss level shine. It is more like a balm shine. And then that magnetic claim, there's nothing like magnetic about it, I don't think. But it looks so good. It's smoothed out the lines in my lips. There's absolutely no dryness or chappedness to my lips anymore. So this is exactly what I look for in my lip products. Oh my gosh, I really like this. Everything about this, the smell, the feel, the look, how easy it is to apply. I seriously have no complaints except for I want more makeup products from this brand because I am so impressed by this. This is going to be a go-to product for me because it made my lips look exactly how I want them to look and feel all the time. And I was saying how I love to find moisturizing, hydrating products, and this is exactly what I'm searching for. So let me know if you've tried this out. Hopefully you like it as much as I do, but I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.